Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to customize touch sliders on Clevetura CLVX S. Let's begin! So, the touch sliders are these two sliders which have custom colors. Now, as you can see, the first one is responsible for changing the LED light, or called backlight, for the keyboard itself, while the right one is responsible for changing the volume. But of course, we can change that functionality if we simply go to this tab right here, which is for touch sliders. And in here we can change the sensitivity. So, as you can see, whenever we change the volume, this is the speed of changing the volume. We can increase it to, for example, high, and now whenever I even remotely move my finger, you can see how drastically it changes, like by a lot. And if we move it to the low, we can see how much I need to move it now in order to, oh, that was wrong, in order to increase my volume. So that's very, very bad. And by default, we have them set to medium. And if you want to customize them even further, we can go into backlight, and then here we can change their color. So you can change the color from left touch slider to, for example, something green. And as you can see now, it changed colors. We can also change it to, for example, something pink, something blue, something red. And as you can see, this is all changing at live, and we can always reset color to default to this typical yellow here. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.